Okay, it's kind of littles late at night, but not for real. It's like, well, it is. I should be asleep. It's 1 a.m. They won't let me sleep. Um, so I decided to come get a video update of how my vehicle sounds now when it starts, and when it's revved, when the engine is revved. Hold on. Put my drink down. Oh my goodness, this beer can is in here. I need to take that out. All right, ready? And that other shit. I should go see what it sounds like inside. Alright, engine sounds normal and everything. I should go get gas right now. Like, not gas for the vehicle, but gas for the trimmer, so that I can do the yard tomorrow or today, because it's after midnight. We still got some of that other shit going in here. They're screaming through my engine. So none of the rattling and stuff that was going on anymore. The wheel job did take care of that.